moment, and I'm gonna jump into the trends of transferring myself into an Asian's baby girl. And if you don't know what that is, it's basically transferring myself into a baddie. Oh yeah, we are going down with this. My parent gonna be shocked. And catch me outside. Let's go.
First step is critical. We are going to carve out our eyebrows. I'm using NYX, and this is a macro brows. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm using Anastasia pomade to make it perfect. To carve out my eyebrows, I'm using Tarte Shape tapes, and this is color light neutral.
Today we are using the Urban Decay Naked Palette, and this is the original. This is like the OG, you know what I'm talking about. So I think this is going to be great for this kind of look. We are going to do smoky, dramatic. And so this is the colors, absolutely beautiful. And for you guys that don't have your hand into this, I am so sorry. This discontinued. You cannot get another one except if you were buying secondhand, but that is just gross. But I mean, if you have this palette, let's give it some love, and also let's enjoy the textures and the colors. It's so beautiful. Let's get started. To pair with the Naked Palette Urban Decay, I definitely going to use the Urban Decay Eyeshadows Primer. And I'm going to put it all over my eyes like this. And use your ring finger to blend it in. Oh my gosh, another thing that I totally forgot to prep my face because it's extremely dry right now. And whenever your skin is dry, you will not have a good makeup day. So what I'm going to do is solve that problem by this product right here. This is the 96-hour Hydro Filler, and this is more like a moisture surge for eyes, but hey, I'm extra. I'm just gonna use it for my whole face. I would say this is pretty expensive, but whenever I bought it, like I think 2 months ago, it was a really good deal. I should have bought 4, but hey, I was trying it, so that's why I only bought 2. But if I could go back in time, I'm probably going to buy another 2. Because I really enjoy this product because it's really soft to the skin. It does help with hydrations. If you have acne skin and you kind of picky of what products you can use, this is actually a really good product to use. And if you have sensitive skin, this is also really good products for you to use too. This is like an old trick of mine that I really enjoy, is to apply the virgin color, which is the lightest color. And what I'm doing is actually creating a transition color.
I'm using Morphe brushes M456, dipping in the colors Hustles, and starting from the outside corners.
This is so beautiful color. It's like gray, but a tint, just a little bit of purple. You probably cannot see it. It does not pick that, but the reflection of it, oh, absolutely amazing. I am super happy with the ombre effect. And now I want something pop in the middle of my lid.
To cut crease, I'm using MAC Paint Pot, and then just go around my lid where I desire to create more colorful colors.
I just love this gold so much. It's called Half Baked, and I'm using Morphe M124. I'm going to Sidecar. I have not tried this color. It looked beautiful, pink. Back to Hustle. And blend at the end to pull all the color together. And for my under eyes, I want to go in this color Creep right here. Tap out the excess.
To highlight my under eyebrows, I'm using the color Virgin once again and highlight it there.
And I'm just going to curl my eyelashes that I barely even have.
I'm going to create a double wings eyeliners, and then I'm using a Too Faced eyeliners. I also want to add some drama toward the tip of my eye, so that's why I did it this way, and it is super creative and also dramatic. I want to draw a glitters between the gap. I'm using Urban Decay Heavy Metal, and I'm also going to draw the tip of my eyes.
This is my favorite glue and I love it so much, and the reason why for that, because I created a video where I share my personal stories. You can definitely check out right here. This is the video of how I got terminated, and I'm telling you, I literally cried in that video. And the eyelashes still stay on, so you know how good this eyelashes glue is. Unfortunately, my parent did not give me a blessing to have a great eyelashes, and my mom cut my eyelashes when I was little, so that is the reason why I don't have any eyelashes. But I know how to put on fake eyelashes. I mean, like, sometime in life, whenever you have lemon, you just try to make it lemonade, you know?
Now it's time to add in your favorite mascara.
I really enjoyed this primer so much. I tried it last time. It's having cool sensations, which I really enjoy. It feels like a moisturizer. It's also have an SPF in there, and it's oil free, and it's also have a little bit of a sticky paste.
For foundation, I'm using Milani 2-in-1 concealers, and I'm using a damp beauty blender to bounce it all over my face.
You know the products that is like, people say is really close to a Tarte Shape Tape is like the Revolutions from Ulta. I don't know, whenever I used it, it was really dry under my eye, so I don't think that's my favorite products. This is actually a very good stable product that I really enjoy and really like. So this technique right here, if you have like, you know, a dark spot, or if you have a really tired eye, this technique will make your eye look flawless and awake. That's why I love to do this technique so much.
I'm going to apply a light coat of translucent powder. I'm using Coty's Air Sponge.
I'm basically dusting out the excess.
I'm using a large eyeshadows brush, dipping the Hoola Benefit to contour my face.
Because my nose is really wide, so I need like some kind of brushes like this that will meet my expectations and is perfectly for my shape of nose.
I'm using a puffing brush to blend out the contours of my face.
And for the nose, I actually going to use a beauty blender and press it on. I'm going to use the Ofra Nikkietutorials Highlighter Trio. I absolutely adore this.
I'm going back with the translucent powders Coty Air Sponge to lighten up my cheek, and this is the baking method.
I mean, I look crazy right now, but just wait. So for blushes, I want to use this Peach Glow. For this product, you really need to get in there. I love the smell.
Use a different brush to brush out any excess that did not stay on your skin. To highlight my face, I'm using Ofra Nikkietutorials, and this is my favorite method.
Do you see that? Absolutely stunning. I really want to put on this lips right here because it's going to be dark. We're going to be bad. So we need to be dark. We can't be like all cute and stuff, you know? I really enjoyed this applications here because it's so precise. And man, if you mess up, you mess up. So I got this from AliExpress, and we are going back to the OG style where it's so popular, especially in my middle school. I used to wear a hoop. I don't wear it anymore because during that time when I was wearing it, I did not feel cute or pretty. And every girl's was like having all those big hoops, and I'm just like, I wish I could really rock it, but I look totally weird and stupid, yeah. So this is going to be my try on once again, back to the hoop, and I will link the information below where I got this. Let's put some setting spray. By the way, this is, yes, in a Pixie bottle, but it's actually matte setting spray on here. I like how it set my face with the solution. probably wear this for a day and see if there's any side effect, because my ear is like in an hour instantly. If the product is not good, then definitely I have to wear either silver or gold. So that's how it worked for my ears. Yeah, it's just being extra. Okay, now it's time to add some tattoo. And I'm just going to grab a wet towel, slap it on. Hopefully this works. Oh man! Woo! That is so cool. Look at that. Man, imagine like my dad walk in and see me like this. He gonna be like, what the heck? He gonna cuss me out. Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh man. It looks like I'm over here trying to flip you off, but actually I'm not. Okay. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. Woo! So I got like it looks so real and so cool. So this one is like I have it tatted up right here, and then this part I have tatted up right here. Oh my gosh, I am style. So this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching. I love this. This is actually different from what I usually wear and the way that I usually present myself. So this is really interesting and fun to me. Thank you so much for watching. Also comment below of what you want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more notifications. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated. Peace out. It's basically transfer yourself into a baddie. Oh yeah, my dad is going to love it. Oh my gosh, did a mosquito just bit me right now? Are you serious?